Blessed love people, don't know this is Subi. Now watch, I know you have a thing named the truth. The truth alone shall set us free. And I deal with righteousness, so I can't compromise people. And more the eye them take this with a positive spin. You see, when it comes down to the VYBZ Kartel case, and the people them will put forward certain rhetoric, I find them disappointing and disheartening. Now, when I want to go say, I know nothing if Lizard get killed because him did nobody. I know nothing if him get killed because him did bad man. Him did murderer, him did killer, him did this, him did that. I find them talk, they're very disappointing people. Because here we go now. You see, when you hold certain status in a life, when you reach a certain status in a life, and troubled youth come around you, you have a responsibility to try curve them in a positive way. You have a responsibility if you say, my youth, me no want you bust no gun, you know. Me no want you bust no gun, me want you go back to school. Me want you start a little business. Me not supposed to recruit you if you come bust no gun for me, or if you come kill nobody for me. Because first and foremost, if me used to live in the ghetto and me bust and become a superstar, me not supposed to worry, say, yo, me need some little ghetto youth to come protect me. Me get security and pay them and buy a house up on the hill if me afraid to stay in the ghetto. If me not trust me people, then me buy a house up on the hill. I buy a house in a gated community because me have money can do that now. So that means anytime a youth check me, I must have work me I give you. I must have work me I go set you up with. Something where you can go back and feed your mother and feed your family and feed your youth them if you have youth. Me not supposed to recruit no youth for further them badness, to enhance them badness. I mean, I love the same thing if my youth step out of line and him go around a dan or go around anybody who have certain status. Me that want to know, say, yo, you send back my youth on the right track. Because I have sons too. So if your son come my way, me I go say, my youth, what you do? You know how hard your father have to work. You know how hard your mother have to work. What you do? Them gun something that don't make no sense, youth. A dead you go dead or go to prison. Me don't understand how people can extenuate whatever happened. Seeing with the man that did murderer, or the man that did killer, or the man that never had nobody. That's how we reach as black people. And then, if a man say anything against what uno say, uno want to tell people about them mother, uno want to tell people say them for dead, uno want to tell people say them bad mind and all of them things there. So if you're a youth step out of line, you would love me now as Vegas now start dealing with badness now and put a gun in him hand. Or enhancing badness. If the police kill him, or me kill him. You see, we as a people, we're not thinking of them, we want the government to fight crime. We have to say, yo, the government now do nothing for crime and violence. So we blame the government every day we get up because Andrew Holness say nah do nothing about the crime. But we as a people, we dip on internet and show we want 2 likes. We are going to talk about say, yo, because a man was a killer, the man for dead. This now have nothing to do with VYBZ Kartel, you know. Because this is not just a exclusive situation, you know, people. We need to do better as a people. You can love a man from far, you know. But you have to think about the bigger picture. You have to think about society, the society where you live in. The society where you want to be able to walk down the street without anyone terrorizing you. So what kind of precedent do not set? You know, there's some irresponsible talk they will not talk because you're emotional. We don't wish prisoner nothing upon a man, you know. But at the same time, we have to think about the society where we live in. And when we say these things, what we are tell the next youth say, what we are tell our next artist, what we are tell our next person with old status, what we are tell them say. So we are going to defend them if something like this should happen again. No, you're not supposed to deal with badness and come around. We have certain talk. We will have certain status. We will have certain influence. And we enhance them badness. Whether certain, because we know say them thing they go on. We know say them thing they go on. Man see little youth are bad and take them and recruit them. Boy, yo, no, I got this the man there for me. Little youths, let me tell you something you know get the youths. Don't make nobody trick on you, you know. Don't make nobody trick on you, you know. Think about your mother. Think about your children them. And don't make the man we have them money come tell them about say got this no man for them, you know. Make them got this man themselves.
Sisters, let us live as one and live in love. One love.
Don't know. Big up on yourself. Can't take the message or you can't reject the message. That's how you go.
You